So good afternoon guys, or time check now, it's 5:51 in the afternoon or evening na. So may ara kami sa buong 2 games diri sa Barangay Calawag 1. Night, second night of the semi-final round of the 68th Foundation Anniversary Basketball League 2025. So pasensya guys kung di ko kayo, wala ko kayo naka-upload sa mga videos of games. First reason, araw dito kami sa kita nyo ng ano, araw zoom ko araw adra. So budlayan ko mag-adjust guys sa pagkuha sa video. Sige lang guys, bawi lang ko sa Calawag dos this coming March. Meron silang upcoming basketball tournament sa Calawag dos SK, and at the same time may information man nga may ara nga open commercial open league ang Calawag 2. And, so 2 games subong. First game is losers bracket, Villa Silina against Bliss. Then second game, winners bracket, Nene Moises against Masagana. So ang start is 6 PM, pero nag-inform na istorya ko si SKK na nila dito kami sa balay nila para si Komnamon madelay ang hampag subong first game. So adjust lang. Sige lang guys, kay update na lang kamo right after sa first game karon kung sino ang daog. So see you later. So yun guys, bago na natapos ang game, sa first game played between Villa Silina against Bliss. So para ang final score sa ilang game sa first match between Villa Silina against Bliss. So ang next game played between Nene Moises against Masagana. Still here sa Barangay Calawag 1 guys. Game time naman ta sa second night of the semi-final round, the 16th Foundation Anniversary Basketball League 2025. Okay, see you guys right after the second match. And yun guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So ang second game second game is Masagana against Nene Moises. Ayan lang. Aring lang ang final score guys. Uy, sorry. 79 na siya guys. 79. Sorry. 79 na siya. Ang final score sa Nene Moises kag Masagana. So yun. Shoutout sa Barangay Government of Calawag 1 headed by Honorable Brian E. Aiko. And also sa Sangguniang Kabataan of Calawag 1 headed by Honorable SK Chairperson Maria Carmela Abing. And also shoutout ko man ang SBP Isulan, the official officiating team of this year's 68th Foundation Anniversary Basketball League 2025 here in Barangay Calawag 1. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Shoutout ko lang ulit ang mga relatives ko sa Susbilia, also sa Amantillo family, and also sa Luzada family and Agiton family. Siyempre sa Ordisman, and shoutout naman ang pinsan ko sa Iloilo, SAF TV, yan, SAFS. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys. God bless everyone. See you on my next vlog.